The iPad Mini 7, my all-time favorite iPad, just got an exciting update. It's now packed with a variety of impressive upgrades, including increased storage and RAM, all while keeping the same price tag, which is quite remarkable. This latest version has certainly caught everyone's attention, but the main question is, should you go ahead and upgrade to this new iPad Mini, wait a bit longer, or perhaps consider another iPad model? I'll be addressing all of these questions in this video, but first, let's go over everything that's new with the Mini 7. Starting off with the first upgrade, Apple has doubled the storage capacity from 64 GB to 128 GB without changing the $499 price point, which is typically something you only see in more expensive models. For Apple to offer this upgrade without an extra cost is a pleasant surprise and a major win for consumers who need more storage. The second upgrade is equally significant. The Mini 7 now comes with 8 GB of RAM, doubling the 4 GB found in its predecessor. This boost in memory is crucial for multitasking as it reduces the chances of apps closing in the background, making your overall experience smoother. Imagine switching between Facebook and other apps without having to reload everything. That's a game changer for everyday use. Now let's move on to upgrade number 3, which revolves around the processing power. The new iPad Mini is equipped with the A17 Pro chip, marking a substantial leap in performance compared to the previous model. It appears that Apple is repurposing surplus A17 Pro chips from the recently discontinued iPhone 15 Pro lineup, and while this version features a 5-core GPU instead of the 6-core one found in the iPhone, the performance increase is still considerable. You'll notice improvements in single-core and multi-core processing, as well as graphics performance, making this iPad a formidable device for gaming and other intensive tasks. The fourth upgrade enhances your connectivity experience, as the Mini 7 now supports Wi-Fi 6E. This new standard offers up to twice the speed of the previous Wi-Fi 6, especially at closer ranges, thanks to the added 6 GHz band, which improves reliability and reduces latency. Following that, upgrade number 5 brings Bluetooth 5.3 to the table, replacing the previous 5.0 standard. The latest version provides better connectivity, particularly for accessories like AirPods, resulting in fewer dropouts and more stable connections. Upgrade number 6 might seem subtle, but is impactful in terms of processing efficiency. The iPad Mini 7's neural engine, still featuring 16 cores, now benefits from a 3nm manufacturing process. This not only makes it more energy efficient, but also optimizes performance for AI-driven tasks. With this comes upgrade number 7, support for Apple Intelligence. This upgrade ensures that the device can take full advantage of new features like Gen Emojis, advanced writing tools as they roll out, giving you a more future-proof experience. Although the camera hardware remains unchanged with a 12MP sensor capable of 4K video recording, upgrade number 8 adds support for Smart HDR4. This marks an improvement over the previous HDR3, allowing for better photo quality in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, upgrade 9 introduces new color options, providing fresh aesthetics that appeal to users who appreciate a bit of personalization in their devices. For some, these new colors might even be a deciding factor when upgrading. The 10th and final upgrade, though not officially confirmed, addresses the notorious jelly scrolling issue that plagued the iPad Mini 6. According to rumors, Apple has updated the display to eliminate this problem, which would be a welcome relief for anyone who found it bothersome. If true, this change would significantly improve the overall user experience, especially when using the device in portrait mode. However, as impressive as these upgrades are, there are still a few downsides to consider. The first drawback is the removal of support for the Apple Pencil 2, meaning you'll need to invest in the newer Apple Pencil Pro, which comes with advanced features such as hover detection and tilt sensitivity, or opt for the budget-friendly USB-C version. The next issue is that the iPad Mini still lacks support for the Smart Connector, which is commonly used for keyboard cases. This limitation means you'll have to rely on Bluetooth keyboards, which aren't as seamless and may not be ideal for those who frequently use their iPad for productivity tasks. Another drawback worth mentioning is that Apple has removed the physical SIM card tray. This means cellular connectivity is now limited to eSIM, can be a hassle for travelers who prefer using their mobile data while abroad. So should you upgrade now, wait, or choose a different iPad? If you're looking for an iPad to use for gaming, general tablet tasks, or for children, the Mini 7 is an excellent choice, offering a well-rounded mix of portability and performance. On the other hand, if you need a tablet that can double as a laptop replacement, consider the iPad Pro, which now features the latest OLED display technology. Alternatively, if you're budget conscious, the standard iPad remains a solid choice, although it lacks some of the premium features found in the Mini 7. Given that it could be a while before the next update, this may be the perfect time to upgrade to the iPad Mini 7. Thank you for watching, and if you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the videos for similar exciting updates from the tech world.